There is a text object called a section, which you can use to move around the function faster, although this is mainly for syntax similar to C with curly braces, but it also does work with Vim script. So in the keyboard, we have the opening and closing bracket next to each other. Pressing the right of it twice, or closing bracket, jumps to the beginning of the next function. So opposite of that, you press the left one on the keyboard, or opening bracket twice, takes you back to the previous function. To go to the end of the function, you press the right and the left. To go to the end of the previous function, press the left first and the right this time. You can also use this with visual mode to select the function you might want to delete or change. And you can use the line-wise visual mode with capital V, and to select until the end of the function, press right and the left. If you're at the end of the function, then press left and the right. Depending on the syntax of the code, it works a bit differently. For example, in your Ruby file, the same motion takes you to the beginning of the class and the end of the class, and not the function.